como el aire al respirar. Se va mi fuerza, mi sentido, pierdo mi voluntad.
Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how to cook like a Cholo. Alright, well, as you can see, I have my apron. Okay, it's a flat. Alright, so first thing you wanna do, you wanna wash your hands. Get soap. You know you're Mexican, you just put the water and soap, make more soap. Okay, here we go. Alright, take a step. You wanna have, oh yeah, for you kids who don't know Spanish, it's called a pan. Here we go. You wanna turn on the combine. Where's my oil? Okay, here's what you're gonna need, because we're gonna be making chilaquiles. You wanna use olive oil, that's the good stuff. Make sure you spread that around. Closer. I'll make sure you spread that around. See the oil? Want to spread it around? Nice and good. Get all over the pan. Nice tortillas. They should look nice. Go. Next step, you want to get tortillas. None of this flour stuff. You want the corn. It's the good stuff. Okay? Now some people they like the cutting and things, but I'm too lazy. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna tear it. Tear it in all kinds of pieces. Like you missed some pull up, you know? Be careful. When that stuff pops, it hurts. Me huele. Messed up. Alright, next clip. Alright, so, like I said, we're cutting it, we're tearing it in pieces. Be careful with the oil. It hurts. Go, get out of here. Alright, now that we have enough tortillas, I'm gonna go get my spatula. You don't want to stir it, okay? Get it all nice and in there. And if you want more tortillas, just grab more tortillas. I need more tortillas. Alright, come over here. See this? Okay, it's cooking right now. See how someone's getting nice and brown? You want a nice little crisp. So we're gonna let this cook for a while. Okay. Next ingredients you want to get ready. It's me, your El Pato sauce. Okay, stuff's good. You can get it from John's Market. Go. Prepare our El Pato sauce. Ah! Chacun est censé out. Some hurts. Never cooking the TikTok. Ah! Okay. Remember, be careful with the oil. It hurts. Again. Alright. And then, that looks nice and good. We're gonna let that cook for a while. You know, dissolve all the water and things. All this cooking is making me hungry. Alright, so we put our pato sauce. Next step, we're gonna get our huevos. All the huevos. Okay, it looks like we don't have any. You know, I'm gonna get some of our stash. Look at this. I got my huevos. I have 2 huevos. Yeah. Crack them. And you open them. Yeah, that's pretty professional. Hey, that's another good one. Doing good. I wanna wash my hands. Alright. We're gonna cook the eggs. Ow! Don't cook in the thing, Doc! Anyways, we're gonna mix in the eggs. Put it all in. Let it cook for a while. Make sure the eggs cook, man. That's nasty. That's good enough. Alright, next thing. I want to get your queso. Me, I like the white stuff. Hey. How much cheese you want? Remember, Mexican house always has just put it right here. If there's not enough cheese, get more cheese. You want to mix that in. It's all nice and melty. I don't know about you guys, but I like a little kick in my food. Okay? So, I'm gonna add a little tapatio. Toma. Toma. Mix that in. Look at this. It was all nice and good, nice and cheesy. Like taco sauce. No, nice and saucy. No, I like it saucy. I like it. No, I like it saucy. Once you got it, it should look like this. It's nice and good, huh? And that, my friends, is how you make chilaquiles. Alright. Then, turn off the combine. Okay, kids, be careful with fire. Put down your house. I'm gonna. Alright, so once you got your food done, that's it. You're ready to serve it to your homies. Okay? Now, a lot of my friends don't like my cooking. No, someday I'll make it my own restaurant. I'll call it Pizzeria Garcia. Anyways, so we got it served up. We're ready to eat. We go. That's how you cook chilaquiles.